How to delete all Facebook Reels at once. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, you need to launch a Facebook application in your preferred device. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged into your account. From here, tap on the three horizontal line. From the list of your menu, click on Your Profile. You will see a three-dot icon, click on it. Then tap on Manage Post. In here you will find all of your post, video as well as your reels. If you want to delete all of the reels, just click on the reel. Then at the bottom you will see a delete icon or a trash can icon. You need to click on it. After which, just tap on Delete. Again, tap on Delete Post for confirmation. After that, you'll be able to delete multiple reels or all of the reels that is posted on your Facebook at once. Wasn't it quick and simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.